Ever wondered how Google Ads can elevate your business to new heights? Welcome to the world of Google Ads, a powerful tool that can supercharge your online presence. Imagine increasing your visibility, driving an avalanche of traffic to your site, and boosting sales like never before. With Google Ads, you can target the right audience at the right time, transforming your business and setting it on a path to unprecedented growth. Intrigued? Stay tuned as we walk you through the process of setting up and optimizing Google Ads. Setting up Google Ads is a straightforward process that can be broken down into a few simple steps. First off, you'll need to create a Google Ads account. It's as easy as signing in with your Google account. Once you're in, the next step is to choose the right campaign type based on what you aim to achieve with your ads. This could be generating leads, driving website traffic, or increasing brand awareness. Next up is setting your budget. This is crucial as it determines how much you're willing to spend on your campaign. Remember, every penny counts. After setting your budget, it's time to select your target audience. Who do you want to see your ads? Be as specific as possible to ensure your ads reach the right people. But what's an ad without the right keyword? The importance of keyword research cannot be overstated. It's what makes your ads relevant and effective. And voila, your Google Ads campaign is set up. But setting up is just the first step. Optimizing your ads is where the real game begins. Optimizing your Google Ads is crucial in making sure your ads reach the right audience and give you the best return on investment. Now, let's delve into the key points of optimization. First up, refining your keyword selection. This helps to ensure your ads appear to those who are most likely to be interested in your product or service. Next, improving ad copy. A well-crafted ad copy can significantly increase your click-through rates. Don't forget about using ad extensions. These provide additional information about your business, like your location or phone number, making your ad more appealing and informative. Lastly, it's essential to continuously monitor and adjust your bids to get the most out of your budget. A/B testing is also invaluable in optimizing your ads. It allows you to compare two versions of an ad to see which performs better. Remember, the key to successful Google Ads is constant optimization and adjustment based on performance metrics. Let's recap the key points about using Google Ads effectively. Google Ads is an indispensable tool for businesses, providing reach to a broad audience. The setup process is straightforward, but the real game changer lies in the optimization. Keyword research and A/B testing are pivotal for your ads' performance. Mastering these techniques will significantly enhance your visibility and conversion rates. With these tips in your arsenal, you're all set to harness the power of Google Ads to boost your business. Thanks for tuning in.